Hello there, grade 4 students. Welcome to NVIS Virtual Learning. I'm Mr. Bernard, your math teacher for today. Before we start, see to it that you have the following materials. Number 1, your textbook. Number 2, your pen. And number 3, a sheet of paper for your calculations. Today, you're gonna learn Lesson 13-3, Equivalence with Customary Units of Weight. Open your book on page 691. The objective: recognize the relative size of customary units of weight and convert from a larger unit to a smaller unit. When you were in grade 3, you already discussed customary units of weight. So let's review the conversion table of customary units of weight. In 1 pound, there are 16 ounces. In 1 ton, there are 2,000 pounds. In 1 ton also, there are 32,000 ounces. Let's take for example, 2 pounds, how many ounces? Look at the table. Since in 1 pound, there are 16 ounces. So we have to multiply 2 and 16. 2 times 16, do your calculation. Great, 32. Another example, 5 tons, how many pounds? Again, look at the table. In 1 ton, there are 2,000 pounds. So we have to multiply 5 and 2,000. So 5 times 2,000 equals, great, 10,000. Therefore, there are 10,000 pounds in 5 tons. And also grade 4, don't forget to watch the video for additional review. See the link written in your weekly plan. Solve and share.
When Lori was born, she weighed 7½ pounds. There are 16 ounces in every pound. What was Lori's weight in ounces? Solve this problem any way you choose.
You can generalize and use what you know about converting from a larger unit of measurement to a smaller unit to convert from pounds to ounces. In the given, there are 16 ounces in every pound. Therefore, we will just multiply 7½ and 16. Then, we use distributive property of multiplication. So, it's going to be 7 times 16 plus 1/2 times 16. 7 times 16 equals 112 plus 1/2 times 16 equals 8. Then we will just add 112 plus 8 equals, very good, 120. Therefore, Lori weighed 120 ounces. Look back. How did you know you needed to convert units to solve the problem above? Lori's weight was given in pounds, and the problem asked for her weight in ounces. Now, watch and learn the visual learning animation.
How can you convert from one unit of weight to another? Let's find out. Mark made dinner for his family using the ingredients shown. How many 9-ounce servings did Mark make? Weight is how heavy an object is. Units of weight include ounces, pounds, and tons. Are all the weights given in the same unit? No. The weight of the tomato sauce is given in ounces, but the weights of the pasta and meatballs are given in pounds. To convert the weight of the pasta and meatballs to ounces, multiply each weight by 16. Find the weight of the pasta in ounces. 1 times 16 equals 16. The pasta weighs 16 ounces. Find the weight of the meatballs. 1 1/2 times 16 equals, open parenthesis, 1 times 16, close parenthesis, plus, open parenthesis, 1/2 times 16, close parenthesis, which equals 16 plus 8 equals 24. So, 1 1/2 pounds equals 24 ounces. The meatballs weigh 24 ounces. Why do you need to convert the weight of the pasta and meatballs? The weight of the pasta and meatballs are given in pounds, but the weight of the tomato sauce is given in ounces. They need to be in the same unit to add the weights together. Since the problem is asking for the number of 9-ounce servings, convert all the weights to ounces. Add the weights of all the ingredients to find the total ounces. The pasta weighs 16 ounces, the meatballs weigh 24 ounces, and the tomato sauce weighs 14 ounces. 16 plus 24 plus 14 equals 54. The weight of all the ingredients is 54 ounces. Divide to find the number of servings. Use S to represent the number of servings. 54 divided by 9 equals S. So S equals 6. Mark made 6 9-ounce servings. How does the bar diagram show that you need to divide to find the number of servings? The bar diagram shows that S servings with 9 ounces in each must equal a total of 54 ounces. Since you know the total weight and the weight of each serving, divide to find the number of servings. Now you know how to convert from one unit of weight to another.
Convince me. How do you convert a larger unit of weight to a smaller unit of weight? Answer. Multiply as you do when converting length and capacity. Let us answer the guided practice. Number 1. Would it make sense to describe the total weight of Mark's dinner in tons? Why or why not? Answer. The total weight of the meal is only 54 ounces. Tons is too great a unit to use. The weight in tons would be a very small fraction. For numbers 2 to 4, convert each unit. Make sure that you memorize the conversion table of customary units of weight. Let's continue. Number 2. 9 tons. How many pounds? If your answer is 18,000, you are correct. Number 3. 3 1/2 pounds. How many ounces? Look at the table. In 1 pound, we have 16 ounces. So therefore, we will just multiply 3 1/2 times 16. Do your calculation. What is your answer? Great! 56. Number 4. 17 pounds. How many ounces? Again, in 1 pound, there are 16 ounces. So just multiply 17 and 16. What is your answer? Great! 272. In independent practice, I want you to solve the selected numbers. Again, selected numbers only. Answer it alone. Then, don't forget to watch the next video to check your answers. For your extra task, Check your Pearson account and answer the assigned practice. Quick check. Thank you so much, grade 4 students. Till next lesson. Bye.